tayong surprises. Napakarami pa. In fact, there's a lot to be mentioned pero hindi ko kayang i-mention lahat to. Pero talagang ang lakas ng aircon sa loob ng DM955. Sa sobrang lakas, gumagano kami lahat. You know, so, teka muna, getting ready for a live performance with me, Andrew E, are the Oblaks and DFT and DFT, Oblaks and IPK. Live to sa Music Bureau. I think that was last month. So we're gonna play it and you're gonna hear it. Okay? Para magkalituan. So ito na, bibigay ko na, Chong, bibigay ko na. Okay, bibigay mo na, Tol. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's it. Live, man. Live. DM955. Break it down.
Ito ng tao ay marami kaurian. Malinis na mamamayan hanggang sa mayaman. Ano man ang katayuan ay marong paglalagyan. Basta bisyong pinag-usapan, marami rin yan. Inom hirit sinyo, yan ang ginagawa. Basta bisyo mo ay droga, maraming himala. Rugby, sober, marijuana,
Yan ang binabanatan.
maraming bumabarad dyan sa
Tingin na lansangan.
Ang iba naman ay
Lagari na lagari.
Dali siya maghapon para meron lang palagi. Nanginginig
Di ka na magturok, man. Nag-iiba ang tinig.
Sirap at tableros naman ang kayuhan. Ang lakas sa kanya, amat sila niya at Superman. Meron daw nagdakaw, pumatay at na-rape. Ano kaya ang dahilan?
Ano ba yan, bro?
Pagdating sa jockey ay maraming estilo. May jockey ordinaryo at may jockey tatambako. Nakakahirit mga matay na mumula. Akala mo may solay.
Adok pala.
Ikaw raw ay, sabi ka bang ikaw raw ay
Agas!
at sabu-sabu
Hindi ka na makaalis.
Ayan na ang bato, pilik sa iyong tae. Sa urak mo,
Babalik!
Chong, eberawang dating nito cocaine. Singura ng singuran, pasok hanggang sa brain. Bisyo sa droga, heaven daw ito. Yan ang trip nila, anong magagawa mo? Once again, makinig kayong lahat. I, I'll be safe somehow. Cause now, we had it going down and make it down. If you know where we coming from, put him up with a heart but fuck silent. Yeah, we're on a faking mission. Kasi itim pero kayo manggi ain't here for some motherfucking competition. Dahil kami ay Pinoy. I'm boy, what you see is what you gonna get. Some more or less. If you mess with one of them, kayo manggi. Pare, you mess with us all, cause we control the game.
Papunta ako sa Bureau. Mga assumption is not kapag hinimula ko lang mga assumptionista, man. Kasama, I don't care. Di ko naman sila kilala. Magdala sila napapahiya. Pagkatagsik nila nalalaglag. Walang magawa. Walang magawa. Para kami roromasa. Walang dapat lumiti at tumitig na sa akin. At ako'y pakinggan. Ikaw ang baso at ako ang pinggan. People in the place without further ado. A-N-D-R-A-W I for a D is for you. But I'm the best. Number one rhymes I invest. For the lesser and the heat. For the ladies and gents. I go to the bureau. I'm a spectator. But when they battle me, I am the raider. I'm bigger when I'm on the place. These girls are sad. And they didn't even think about the money they spend. I came to rock the beat for your satisfaction. And complete the place to be. And I'm the main. I thought that when you came through the door, you paid 10 bucks. If you follow me, I say, girl, follow me everywhere I go. Hold my hand in every show. I'm a super duper MC and I'm educated. 85 a year, I graduated. So Andrew say hi. What you wanna know? Wanna know? We can rock the Music Bureau. Hey yeah, what's up? Woo, we are getting hot right now. Here we go. What's up, man? DM955. This is not, and I'm DFT's right about now in the house. Einstein Filipino music. And